in a bag, but I would like put it in the bag. Gosh, I look so tired. So I think I'm gonna vlog today. I don't know why. It's been a while since I vlogged. I have a I'm talking semi-interesting weekend. Like I'm doing stuff. We're doing a wedding today. It's my first wedding of the year. So I hope you guys are ready to come along. Girl, it's raining. It's not just raining, it's dumping. For the rainbows were lemon drops and golden drops standing. Alright, I gotta go into Sally's. I don't have an umbrella. Pray for me.
Tomato and mozzarella panini. And then can I get a grande cinnamon dolce latte, non-fat with extra ice, and still put the whip on it?
What wedding was it where you were driving and you drove like 90 miles an hour the whole way there? It was years ago. You called me the night before and you're like,
It was in Illinois.
Who was that?
One of the twins.
One of the twins. That's
Yeah.
right. Oh my
And you know you're in a small town because when we got there, it had congratulations on like the gas station sign.
Yes. You can't even do it.
I can't.
Mine's the real deal. Even
It's
when
supposed to look like this.
Even when I'm skinny, I don't have a jawline. Hey guys, it's Sunday. My hair looks so good. One of my oldest friends is coming over to reveal the gender of her baby to me. I found out she was pregnant like, I don't know, 2 months ago, and I filmed it, but I wasn't allowed to post it, so I'll insert it right here. Alright guys, I'm about to FaceTime my friend because I'm pretty sure she is gonna tell me that she's pregnant. Okay, what's the surprise? I think I know what it is. Yes! Yay! Show the camera. Jamie's preggers. Guys, you don't know my friend Jamie, by the way. This is my bestie, and she's pregnant with number 2. Okay, so how do you feel?
Oh, I feel like totally fine. Like I'm not sick or anything.
You didn't have any like symptoms or anything?
Well, my boobs have been hurt. I kind of thought.
Oh, okay.
Just my boobs. You know how my boobs are.
Mm-hmm. They can always tell when it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
And today we're finding out the gender. And here's my baby. And there's Needle Noggin.
Oh, baby.
I can't zoom in on you. Cutie. That's not yours.
Yeah, you're never.
Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Babe, it's a boy.
I know, that's amazing.
Oh.
Congratulations, you guys.
I was trying so hard to seem like it was definitely a girl. Like yesterday when I text you, I was like using the ... I'm like, yeah, we found out.
I did not mean to scream like
So you guys are gonna have one of each.
Do you
That's
care if
awesome.
this is on YouTube?
No. It's gonna be Paul after his grandpa, Paul Farrow, and then Holly.
I totally thought it was a girl. I'm so shocked.
It has long arms like my karate.
You have long arms.
And I could just, the nose. I was like, that's my shit, like, because Gia's was real.
Now we be grocery shopping.
Yum yum sauce. I love me some yum yum sauce.
This looks super keto friendly, and the ingredients are like not that bad. Okay, none of that.
Anything that's like oil based is gonna have soy.
This doesn't. Honestly, I think you should just get the pre-made ones.
Yeah, but look, this Caesar salad dressing right here is made with canola oil, not soybean oil.
Are you afraid you'll get boobs if you have soy?
Dude, I don't know. I don't want to have any hiccups. I want to see instant results, like instantly. Like tomorrow morning, when I wake up, I want this to be 6-pack.
I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be a man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down at you.
And just look at this hair.
And oddly enough, you got compliments on it today.
Literally 2 people. Like, I never get compliments on my hair, which I literally don't care. I don't even think about it. But 2 people today said I had beautiful hair, and this is what it looked like walking through the mall.
Why is this horrible quality?
Okay, bye. We're excited. Jamie's having a boy also. I forgot to talk about that. That was exciting.
Very.
Tell my friends you love them.
I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me and Ember, Francis, and Jaime.
Thank you, Dimple.
You down. You down. You in down. You in down. I'm just kidding.
Hey, Tammy Sandwich here. Red-faced and puffy haired, y'all. This is what I look like. I literally had to take a break from blow drying my hair because I get so hot and so tired and my arms and like back muscles burn, and we're gonna take a food break. I'm gonna show you guys what I've made. I've been doing my keto meal prep. I've been doing really good, sticking to it. Already skinnier. I wanna show you this stuff I made. This is low carb beef stroganoff, y'all, and these noodles are from a website called greatlowcarb.com. Hashtag not sponsored. They have no idea who I am. I just wanted to show you guys. They're delicious. Okay, I have a little bit of natural light, and I just wanted to show you guys how glowy. Oh, gosh, that hurt. I was gonna show you how glowy I look, but forget it. I have to go mend my broken toe. So I just got done filming my $1 video. And I can't see, but I want you to see the makeup because you know what? Forget it. I'm going to check my mail because I'm hoping I got a package. You don't want a toy. You do want a toy? You don't. You do? You don't. You do? You don't. This is the literal first time. Okay, first of all, Rimmel has a sponge. Yay. This is the first time that I have gotten a full shade range of foundations in PR. This is, oh my gosh, so exciting. So this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Full Coverage Mattifying Foundation. Now that I'm saying that, I don't know if this is the full shade range because I only see 4 shades. Hopefully that's not the full shade range. And this is full of concealers. Full Coverage Stay Matte Soft Matte Concealer. You want my primer? Okay. A Stay Matte Setting Spray. Woohoo! This is why I'm so thankful for PR, because it's like, it literally helps me help you and helps them. Like, it's just a win-win. No, not the sponge, not the sponge. That's mommy's. So I have to get ready. I have to go by my mom's today to say goodbye to my like childhood dog. Not really my childhood. I think we got him when I was like a teenager, but he was my baby and my mom told me she's having him put down tomorrow. So I have to go say goodbye to him, and then I'm gonna go to lunch with my mom and grandma, and then I have to work. And I have 2 videos to finish. One is a collab with 2 other YouTubers, so I have to get it up at a certain time. And the other one I really need to get up because A, the company's waiting on me, and B, I don't have a video up this week, which is not cute. This is a brand new shirt from Old Navy. I wore it once and I got it out of the dryer today and there's like stains on it. I don't even know what it's from. Every single item of clothing that I own gets ruined immediately. By the way, these jeans are from Amazon. How cute are they? I'm so incredibly beyond obsessed with this lotion that came in my BoxyCharm by Sol de Janeiro. It's the Coco Cabana cream. You have truly never smelled anything like this. A tube this size is probably only like $500. Forgot to wear deodorant, which is just truly amazing. I'm not looking forward to this, you guys. I never thought this day would come. But my mom said that he, by the way, his name's Luke. My mom said he can't even get up now. He just lays in one spot all day. And he's been blind for a while, and it's time. Oh, your sister's being crazy, but look at this, guys. Hi, Lukey Bear. Hi. Oh, it's okay. You don't gotta try to get up.
I can't even get up.
I know. That's okay, baby. Hi.
Lukey, you tell him you did really good and you had a good life. And it's okay, you gotta take a rest, okay? Mom gave you medicine and you're tired, and maybe tomorrow you would want a cheeseburger.
Oh my god, that You're really fortunate you get to work with this today.
Oh, I just need a foiling comb, and then where do you like mix stuff?
It's so freaking dirty. On top of that refrigerator. I worked really late last night and I didn't want to clean it when I got done. Becky's here, guys. Praise the Lord. And she's gonna fix my rubes. And she's doing it on her time off, so she's going home with a big old box full of makeup.
That's the most makeup I've ever owned.
Really?
Yeah. Should put some eyebrows in there?
Eyebrows. No, I don't think so. Years ago, Becky asked me, she was like, so if you could change one thing about my makeup, what would you do? Or was that what your question was?
Yeah, I was like, what would you do if you did my makeup? Like, what's one thing you would really want to do?
And I instantly, like, no hesitation, was like, darken your eyebrows. And she was like, oh God, how long have you been wanting to say that to me?
Yeah, there was no hesitation.
Well, just, your hair's so dark,
Apparently I'm the slowest skater in the world.
one of your brothers once told me that your nickname was Turtle.
Yeah.
I think he told me that because I was saying how laid back you are at weddings, where I get stressed out and I want to leave, and you're like, I'm fine.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Well, Mom kept calling me Turtle because I was slow at everything I did.
Yeah. I am pretty sure I had the exact same nickname.
Turtle?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You were slow too?
Oh, 100%. And my mom would always say, motivate.
Motivate.
She'd clap her hands. Guess what day it is, folks?
One day after Pi Day.
It's Friday. It is one day after Pi Day. Forgot about that. Our friends are coming in town. We're really excited. I had to go to Torrid. They are having a sale right now on underwear. It's literally the only place I buy underwear from. If you're a curvy girl, but you want to be like a little cute, you know, you don't want to wear grandma underwear all the time, check out Torrid. Hey guys, our friends are here. It's really exciting. Oh! It's a video.
Cheesy.
You think that's cheesy?
Unreal.
I couldn't say, wash it away, things that I did inside. I tried and tried to lie. That's all violin, dog. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this thing together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Don't pour over me. I'll bring my glass to you.
Wait, I wasn't recording. One more time.
Kiki, you want me? I'm running. Never, never,
Ew, no tongue. Gross. Weirdo.
So guys, I just felt like talking to you guys, which is really talking to my phone, but I feel like I'm talking to you guys. I had like an emotional breakdown last night. We were sitting at the meeting and I leaned over to Nick and I was like, I feel like I want to scream. And he was like, why? And I was like, I don't know. It took us forever to leave. We lingered, and then like the urge to scream was building and building and building. And finally I got in my car. We got in the car and I just was bawling. I'm dramatic. I just feel like I need a break. I feel overwhelmed, really, really overwhelmed. And I feel like I need to like take a trip to a remote place by myself and like be in nature for a week and then come back and I'd be fine. I'm gonna run some errands. I'm gonna go to the bird store because my bird is like getting bored. I feel like she has like 80 toys in front of her and she just starts preening her feathers. So she needs new toys. And what I really want to do is go to Sephora and spend all my money and get the Josie Moran foundation because I've been thinking about that foundation for like a year. And I also wish I could go have like a delicious meal from, I don't know, Panera. Can't do that either. And I also wish I could squeeze some babies, squeeze my nephews. Can't do that either. So I could get Starbucks. That always helps. I've been feeling like she's bored because she used to just sit for like 2 hours and play with one toy, and now she'll play with the toy for a minute and then she starts like messing with their feathers, and you can't let them mess with their feathers too much because then they'll pluck their feathers. So I have to keep her life interesting. All right, guys, so Nick is into this thing now. Nick's into this thing now where he takes cold showers and he gets in cold ice baths. So it's like, what do you think? It's like 50 degrees out here? How do you feel, Nick? How come you can't go all the way under?
I'm just slowly acclimating.
We're just acclimating right now.
My toes are officially numb, which is good.
Why are you shaking? Busy. I'm not shaking, baby. Don't shake.
Feel that tingling, baby?
Yeah.
That means we're dying.
Wim Hof, baby. Wim Hof,
Yeah,
baby.
baby, run amok.
Wim Hof, say it.
Wim Hof.
Now they feel really cool and they're looking at themselves. Shalom. So, I'm actually filming this portion weeks later because I realized I didn't have like a closeout to the vlog. So to close out, I just wanted to show you guys something real quick. I've been decluttering all morning. So this cardboard box here is all makeup that I'm giving to like friends and family members. And all this is going into a giveaway. So look out on my Instagram for my current giveaway because there's some really good stuff in here. We got Pixie, Rimmel, Benefit, Gerard Cosmetics. There's an Emile Cordon lip balm in here. Cover FX drops. Like, it's gonna be a good giveaway. So look out for that. Thank you for watching this vlog. I feel like it was bad quality because it was all filmed on my cell phone. I don't know how people do it. I don't know how people do it and make it look so good and sound so good, like the audio. We'll try to do better for next time. So love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.